I think for the next 3-4 minutes.
87.9 Kumasi.
Same way my anything coming can net. But Nra Saturday na Joe me find say be 5:20 me nya message say me nua na free mu ye mu bi antimi anka transia ba that Saturday morning asem na making no back be around 5:25 in a message in the by. But we still didn't believe it until we couldn't say these things. Yeah, train ya money ball be 7:30-81 sana. Yeah, breaking wall. Yeah, that was around 8:40 crowns sana eat me. Yeah, to air. Yeah, Tiafra confirm that, but now maybe man one can name it thing. I am a thing because a man are now in a meeting Saturday morning. Now, the last 3 hours are Ochem spending on earth. As I see, what happened within the last 3 hours. JB, this is exclusive. I don't know whether I should reveal it. It's still fresh.
Seriously, I
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And the way and manner a command course about 2 weeks ago. Na Oshe ne ahofama and
a commitment. I know I already said.
Issue now. Very strange. And then I mean, Gini said, I am still in the state of shock because even as at Saturday and Opana me say the question was how. And still the question is how. Because I don't get it.
Okay.
I don't get it. From all indication, like Kofi, I sincerely believe say well. So
say Ochem is part of my show.
Of course, Kofi.
But Akuma were one of the individuals who hold it forth for me. Anytime I'm a friend or friend me cancer. Remember. Now in the last 3 hours to Ochem Boaje's death, what happened? Therefore, be any assume we just and because I was privileged. I had opportunity and I became a bit part of because of this as a issue. Yeah. And already your long-standing personal relationship.
Anytime I before you have a long-lasting relationship.
Yes. So. What happened? The last 3 hours. Mente sokra ma 2 hours. Our chem di free. Achama boaje pon wo office 9:42.
You made 9:42. On Friday evening.
And Oma ni team no officially
or dispatch obi
upon ye. 9 atevo obi an check time ni 9:42.
87.9 Kumasi.
And on one 2 ne car. Area.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Until fee bang, the Juman.
I see.
Now, I'm fan to just say in his normal life, or chamun timin that for 8 hours. I don't know, but and I do he stays awake, coffee, sir, and he goes to office.
Yeah.
And I do want to go to office.
And Sadio has been part of him for a long time.
From a butchery now. This is it. 9:42 now. I'm free office.
87.9 Kumasi.
Now on any security coordinator is a Mr. The police officer now or coordinating on the last bar officer on any secretary Vivian also. Into Okonante ya na anymore a ball 12:29.
Okay.
And I do 12:29. If your office 9:42. 12:29. Yeah, Jachi, right? 12:29. And was some Ochemsan call the office na any Sweet Gardens.
Okay.
Hong common you
87.9
terminal hon.
Yeah.
And that is the workshop one.
The
any Sweet Gardens.
Yes, Sweet Gardens, yeah.
We be do it.
Yeah.
Say And at 12:29, and we san call office.
Okay.
Now, Odu office no or share office kakra be 5 minutes. Call be 5-10 minutes.
That was around 12 anymore.
Yeah. Tibe time kakra. Ena okache security ni say ne ho mfa no. Like he needs air or ohiam frama. Ono so wura ne office wa, wura ne yard ho abenkum ne office ni. Ntu wura ho a or nice hall secretaries ne tete.
Okay.
Into before we wura ne office no another lobby. What I say ne
waiting room.
Yeah. Me air condition bia ebopa ansana na office no e she inside do. No ka security say ne ho mfa no. I say
the homemate.
Ne home hiam frama.
Yeah.
Ti omon fa ne kofi. Then they drove him.
Oh, okay.
Ti ne ye pa o. Ono an a drive free office 9. And ono an a drive free baby a call ye no. Ebedu office back. No call office kwa ya dia. At that time na wancha office no catch security ni say asa ne home
ne ho nye ne ye
nti omo fa ne kofi. So one is it la last son or so, I don't want to mention the guy's name.
Okay.
And what drive on edi ni kodu fie no do fie no wan si from kra kofi.
Oh really?
No take care ni. Still not all complaining say ne homete. No complaining say ne homete.
87.9 Kumasi.
And omo frɛ ne operations director for the company.
Okay.
A friend Aidan.
Okay.
And Aidan travel free be ni fie. A co-chief fie. They want 10 year pa. Enti Aidan drive kodu ni fie na ochemte ne cab. And it took Aidan bare 10 minutes. Yeah,
at the time of friend no to so be different. Bare around 10 minutes.
Bare 10 minutes. To kodu fie na o complain sister. Na homete. Then Aidan pick ononi security a ohwe ni fie ho.
Okay.
O pick ochem security woni fie ho no. And Aidan two car no. So Aidan began to drive now. Drive or chem car na no timu no.
Yeah.
Say omo ko konfa no chi. Enti omo ko no chem tie chi. And the security o woni fie no so te o chem nchen we chire.
Oh okay.
And Aidan and them they were 3 together with that is ochem kan wa 3.
Yeah, 3.
Now omo ko nyina no or they try to engage him. So many din komo kakra.
Yeah.
Enti omo din komo kakra edu
87.9 Kumasi.
Santase runabout.
Okay.
Unity Oil area honimwa.
Kujum side ho.
Yes, Unity Oil.
Okay,
Unity Oil
okay.
Santase.
Okay.
Enti omo free wa omo do ECG area ho no started say he was only pronouncing Aidan's name.
Wow.
Aidan. And they were driving. Tiana Aidan Ebisa. Chief or Homedia. Also,
87.9 Kumasi.
And he was mentioning name Aidan.
87.9 Kumasi.
Aidan. And he Bedu.
87.9
quite runabout.
Runabout, yeah.
And he Orashi ya do emergency enim hono. Now it was around by 1 plus.
87.9 Kumasi.
Into do emergency hono. Ena or de car no Land Cruiser no.
Yeah.
At the tunnel.
At the tray.
And a nurses no at the stretch by no be in it also. Na yes I don't car park ho. Nte fortunately doctor na no what duty no.
87.9 Kumasi.
Enim ochem personally our relating no.
I see.
O relate ochem
yeah.
wife.
Oh okay. Okay.
That's a chem hunipa or bruchiri no. Nankanisa.
Yeah.
For the purpose of, you know. And therefore, I am getting emotional. So, I'm in the call and about 3-4 minutes. No, I'm catching and say, and I'll call her or I'll pack here. Jaden Jina on nurse, no, or money, the other doctor. Be a ne pause. Yeah. No, I'm catching and say, Kakra, bear 3-4 years,
I don't
impie. No, so, I'm then baby, be why me, I'm on country me. No, so relax. Doctors and nurses, and they got to know, said, this is what I'm about.
No money.
Oh, no. Obi already impure auntie nurses there. Now, doctor now, or happens to attend to him, no, happens to be relative.
Yeah, related, yeah. I see.
And they anything that they ought to have done, no, they did. And
87.9 Kumasi.
Omo do baby no. Once it took just about 4-5 minutes.
Oh.
And a nurse be catch and say omo nya ne pulse beam.
How? Omo de I done the rational ko emergency ho.
So ojaye kasa e wo car nim. Tin yo.
Okay.
Ojaye Aidan frɛ from the pirate about to area no. No ojaye Aidan frɛ beam. But not all no combisa driver and say I don't know why you did and obisa that street guy or home no say but now a jai Aidan no free and now almost so when they get in there and nurse Rebecca Jen say omunya pause. So after about 2 minutes, then the doctor and no baby identify no body din. Aidan say, I am this doctor.